Facebook featured photos settings. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Facebook featured photo settings or how you can add or delete your Facebook featured photos. Now open up the app and log into your ID and you should get an interface like this. Now if you head over to your profile, you can tap on the profile icon that you can find below your home page icon. And here if you scroll down, you'll find the option of featured here. You can see I can add new one by tapping on the plus new option here, and I can see my collection right here. What I want to do is tap on one of my featured photos and it opens up, and tap on the three dot option that you can find on the top right corner of your post. And once you tap on it, you'll get various options, and on the top you can see edit featured collection. Now below it you can see to delete your featured collection, you can save the picture, or you can report it. Now tap on edit featured collection, and here you can deselect the pictures, you can reselect it, you can add a title or a collection title, or you can add more pictures to your featured or videos, or you can delete it. This way you can find your featured photo settings or edit featured collection on Facebook. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.